Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Monday.com items with custom fields, full guide step by step clearly. To update Monday.com items with custom fields, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the board where your items are located. Identify the item you wish to update with custom fields. Click on the item to open its detailed view. Locate the custom fields section within the item details. If you haven't created custom fields yet, click on the Add Column button. Select the type of custom field you want to create from the available options. Name your custom field appropriately for better identification. Once created, return to your item and find the new custom field. To update the field, click on it and enter the desired information. Make sure your input complies with any specific formatting required for that custom field. After entering the information, click outside the field to save your changes. Optionally, you can add multiple custom fields to the same item for more detailed tracking. Repeat this process for any other items you wish to update with custom fields. To view all the updates, return to your board and review the item information displayed. Check that all custom fields reflect the changes you made. If needed, you can also customize the view settings of your board to prioritize displaying custom fields. This process will help you manage your tasks more effectively with personalized information. Utilizing custom fields enhances your workflow by tailoring the data to better fit your project's needs. By updating your items with custom fields, you improve team collaboration and project clarity. Now you are ready to manage your Monday.com items with enhanced functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.